like waves that foam up when they reach the shore. BRITE Glass and Surface Cleaner attacks soils on surfaces in industrial and commercial environments. This ready-to-use aerosol spray goes to work immediately. We covered this piece of plexiglass in dirt and grease and then applied BRITE. The rich, long-lasting foam cuts through and dissolves dirt, smoke, and grease from hard surfaces. BRITE contains anti-resoiling agents and does not streak or leave behind a film, ensuring your surface maintains that clear and clean appearance. Use BRITE on your glass surfaces such as windows and mirrors, along with other surfaces such as plexiglass, plastic, chrome, stainless steel, and porcelain.